Is breakfast the most important meal of the day?
For decades, breakfast has been promoted as essential for good health and weight control. But is this well-known claim supported by scientific evidence? In this video, we'll separate the facts from popular beliefs and reveal what modern research really says about breakfast.
The origins of the breakfast myth.
The idea that breakfast is vital stems from early 20th century marketing campaigns by food companies. Over time, slogans such as "breakfast is the most important meal of the day" became ingrained in culture. But these claims were based more on marketing than scientific research.
What does science say about skipping breakfast?
Recent studies show mixed results on the effects of skipping breakfast. Some research suggests breakfast eaters have lower risks of obesity and type 2 diabetes. But other studies indicate that skipping breakfast does not significantly harm metabolism or lead to weight gain for most adults.
Does breakfast help with weight management?
While some older studies linked regular breakfast to healthier body weights, newer research finds that simply eating breakfast does not guarantee weight loss. Instead, overall diet quality, total calorie intake, and physical activity have a greater impact on weight than breakfast alone.
Who benefits most from breakfast?
Children, teenagers, and people with demanding physical routines often benefit from breakfast, as it can boost attention and energy. For many adults, whether to eat breakfast or not depends on personal preference and lifestyle. There's no one-size-fits-all answer.
Breakfast, a personal choice.
Current science suggests breakfast is not universally essential for everyone's health or weight management. The best approach is to listen to your body and choose a morning routine that suits your needs, focusing on balanced eating habits throughout the day.